Simplify versus PocketSmith versus Rocket Money, which budget app is best? So, Simplify by Quicken, let's just first focus on this one. This one is clean, automated, and goal oriented. And this one is best for everyday users who want effortless tracking, intuitive visuals, and simple goal setting what it is. So, Simplify is a modern budgeting application from Quicken that emphasizes clarity and automation. It syncs with your accounts, categorizes spending, and helps you stay on top of monthly goals and recurring subscriptions, all without the bloat. Now, what are the key features of this Simplify by Quicken? First is spending plan, customizable monthly overview with real-time updates, watch list, set limits for spending categories like dining, shopping, savings goals, create and track specific goals like travel fund, automatic sync, link bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, streamlined mobile app, modern and easy to use interface. For pros, great balance of features and simplicity, which is good for beginners, focuses on proactive planning, and then clear visual dashboards and minimal setup required. It will give you less confusion. But the cons, limited forecasting features compared to PocketSmith and best suited for US users and some limitations internationally. And I'm so sorry for that. Now let's move on to PocketSmith. This one is forecasting, focused, and future ready. This one is best for financial planners, budgeters who love detail, or people with irregular income and complex finances. So, what is PocketSmith? This one is a budgeting powerhouse known for its calendar based forecasting. You can see your cash flow days, months, or even years ahead, ideal for managing income, bills, and investments with long term clarity. The key features include budget calendar plus cash flow forecast. You can plan your finances out 6 to 30 years. Everything is up to you. Multi currency plus global support, great for international users. Scenario modeling, test different financial outcomes like changing rent, adding a side hustle. Detailed reports, income expense analysis. You can go deep into your numbers. And what are the pros and cons? Pros, excellent for advanced users or freelancers, has strong support for non-monthly income or expenses, incredible long-term visibility, while the cons includes more complex to set up and use, kinda not suggested for beginners. Interface is dated compared to Simplify or Rocket Money. Last, we have here Rocket Money or Bill Cotter meets budget application. This one is best for budgeters who want automatic saving, subscription management, and easy to use financial insights. So, what is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a consumer friendly financial application designed to help you save effortlessly. It stands out for negotiating bills, canceling subscriptions, and giving you a bird's eye view of your finances. So, what are its key features? First is subscription tracking and cancellation. Auto detects recurring charges and lets you cancel in app. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money will lower bills such as cable, phone for a fee or percentage of savings. Automatic savings tools help you put away small accounts regularly. Spending insights and budget tools not as advanced but good for cash flow budgeting. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros, it is great for hands off savers, helps you save without thinking, easy and attractive interface ideal for beginners. While the cons, budgeting tools are less powerful than Simplify or PocketSmith, and upsells for premium features and negotiation services. Final verdict, if you want a casual everyday budgeter, you can go on or try Simplify. If you're an advanced planner or freelancer, go for PocketSmith. Subscription heavy user who wants easy savings, go for Rocket Money. International user or expat, go for PocketSmith. Automation focus minimal monthly or manual entry, go for Simplify. And if you want to help reducing bills or cutting costs, go for Rocket Money. So choose Simplify if you want a slick, modern, stress-free way to track spending, save, and hit your goals without getting overwhelmed. Go with PocketSmith if you're into deep planning, have variable income, or want to map your financial life years into the future. And try Rocket Money if you're just starting out, want to save money passively, and hate managing subscriptions. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.